Hi everyone. This is Ayman Ibrahim. I have a special guest today. We are just starting a new journey with. Can you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Anita Moore.
Yeah. So Anita and I will start our 20 weeks journey starting today. So we are targeting. How much you weigh, first of all, right now, as of today?
227.
227. So we are targeting 205 by week 10 and 190 by week 20. Hopefully we can do it together and reach our goal. Have you tried any different diet programs before?
Yes, basically just one. It was a very restrictive diet, and I lost a lot of weight on it
Good.
over a short period of time,
Yeah.
and then I gained it all back.
Yeah.
And some more.
Okay. So in your opinion, why did you gain back the weight? Like you said that the diet did work at the beginning.
Because it wasn't sustainable. It wasn't a diet that, or it wasn't a way of eating that I could sustain over a long period of time.
Why do you think my program is different?
Because it's education, and that's what I need. I feel like I have different pieces of the puzzle as far as nutrition and healthy eating, but I don't know how to put them together to make a picture.
That's correct, and that's why we're not starting the diet from day one. We focus more on learning, right, more than losing weight. And as we learn something new, we try to apply what we learned, right? The main focus is to change the lifestyle, not only losing weight. So let's wait and see, and hopefully next week we have another recording and see the outcome.
Okay.
Thank you so much for joining.